Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honoured when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. We are glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.